Once there was an old shoemaker who could never finish all his orders. At night, the elves quietly came to help. And by dawn, every pair of shoes was ready. In Shine, there is also a group of mysterious dwarves who work tirelessly day and night. When the factory falls silent, the dwarves spring into action, never taking any parts lightly. They prepare and fill the filling materials. Each column embodies ingenuity. That is the secret behind Shine's IC columns. Exquisite craftsmanship, consistent quality,